In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track someone's location using Gmail on Google Maps. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to approach it with respect for privacy and with proper consent. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this effectively. First, open your Gmail account on your computer. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once there, look through your contacts or emails for the person whose location you wish to track. It is crucial at this point to have their permission to share their location information with you for privacy reasons. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Maps. Once you're on this page, make sure you're signed in with the same Gmail account you just used. This ensures that any location sharing will be linked to the correct account. Now, look at the top left corner of Google Maps for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu and select the location sharing option. This section is where you can manage the sharing of your geographical position with others and vice versa. Here, you'll see the option to share your location or request the location of a friend. For tracking someone's location, you need to select Request Location. You will then enter the email address affiliated with the person you wish to track. Google will send them a notification asking for their consent to share their location with you. Remember, this step is vital, not just technically, but ethically. Once the person agrees to share their location, you'll be able to see it live on Google Maps. It's displayed in real time on the map interface, showing their movements as they change locations. It is important to frequently open this app to check for updates, as GPS signals reliably keep track of someone's whereabouts. Bear in mind that this feature is highly accurate, but relies on the individual's phone having location services enabled. If their GPS is off, or they are in an area with poor signal, the accuracy might decrease. It's great to double-check if they have these settings correctly arranged to ensure smooth tracking. Finally, ensure you're using this location tracking tool correctly, adhering to mutual agreements on privacy and security. It's meant for friendly coordination or safety purposes rather than surveillance. Understanding and balancing privacy with technology is key to using these tools responsibly. And there you have it, a simple way to track someone's location using Gmail in Google Maps. Make sure to use this wisely and always obtain proper consent. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.